I got a real special listing to show you today. We are in Harvie Heights, the beautiful tranquil hamlet just outside of Canmore. This is a very special, one-of-a-kind property. They never come up for sale. Let me show you more. So we've got over 11,000 square feet on this property, and it is surrounded by these beautiful mature trees. We're in the hamlet of Harvie Heights. We've got 4 sundecks, each with their own mountain view, as well as the double car garage. Now, let's go inside and take a look. Just like the hamlet of Harvie Heights, this home is really charming and very inviting. As soon as you come into this main floor, we'll see beautiful vaulted ceilings surrounded by windows to let in all that natural light, as well as a wood-burning fireplace and vaulted ceilings in the living room. The hamlet of Harvie Heights really has this cottage feel to it when you're driving through the neighborhood, and they've brought some of those elements into this home. As you can see by the kitchen, it's a very rustic feel, but quite a modern kitchen at the same time. We've got lots of cabinet space, and it opens out onto the dining area, and we've then got the access to the large south-facing sun deck, which is the perfect place to sit and watch the mountains while eating dinner at night. So this open plan main concept living space also has 2 bedrooms here just behind me, as well as a 4-piece washroom. And then we've got this feature spiral staircase which leads you up to your own primary oasis. This whole top level is your primary suite, and we're bringing in that charming cabin feel again. We've got these beautiful wood ceilings with the vaults, and then right behind me, we've got access to your own private deck that looks out on the mountains for those morning coffees. Okay, talking about an oasis, this primary bathroom is incredible. This is one of the only bathtubs I think I've ever been able to fit in, being 6'2". It's got these skylights to let in the natural light, this beautiful, peaceful feel to it, and then as I look to my left, you can just stare at these mountains forever. In 1998, the owners added onto the original property, and we've got this annexed piece of the house that has this beautiful cabin feel with the vaulted ceilings. Again, we're above a tandem double car garage. We've got beautiful skylights letting in that natural light. This is going to make the perfect office space or the perfect teenage room because it's away from the house. You've just got to make sure that they don't escape at night out the front of the deck. If you need additional space in the house, we've got this lower level. It's the perfect games room, again, for those teenage kids to hang out on the weekends, or a TV room, as you can see behind me. We've also got a very large additional bedroom down here and a 4-piece washroom, as well as lots of storage. This backyard is stunning. It's super tranquil and serene. You could just hang out here all day. You get morning sun here and then late afternoon sun as the sun comes back around to the west, and we're backing onto the park and the tennis courts of the community hub in Harvie Heights, so it feels incredibly private. Living in a hamlet in the forest in the Rocky Mountains means that there is wildlife here, and you could easily see elk or deer or even bear coming through your backyard as you live in this gorgeous property. As always, if you've got any questions about this home, my contact information is just below, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.